Here's how to pair the VSeeBox V6 Plus Bluetooth remote with the streaming box in less than 3 minutes. Today I will show in a step-by-step guide how to connect your remote for Bluetooth control, voice search, and better wireless navigation. First, insert fresh AAA batteries into the original VSeeBox V6 Plus remote and power on your VSeeBox. You'll see either the Android setup wizard or the VSeeBox home screen. Bring the remote within a few feet of the box before starting. If you're setting it up after the initial installation, open Settings, then Bluetooth so the box is ready to search for nearby devices. Next, press and hold the OK and volume down buttons on the remote at the same time. Keep holding both buttons while the VSeeBox searches for the remote. You'll see a pairing prompt on your TV followed by a message similar to "Remote control connected successfully" once the connection is complete. Then, test the remote by moving through the home screen. Navigation should work even when you're not pointing directly at the VSeeBox. You can also press the voice button to confirm Bluetooth pairing is active, since voice search requires a Bluetooth connection rather than infrared. After that, if you want the same remote to control your TV's power or volume, you can program those buttons using the built-in learning mode. Press and hold the TV or white power button until the LED stays on. Point your original TV remote directly at the VSeeBox remote, then follow the learning process to copy the power or volume commands. Once finished, test the programmed buttons on your TV. If you don't see this option, there's another way. Open Settings, go to Bluetooth, remove or forget the existing remote if it appears, restart the VSeeBox, replace the batteries if needed, then hold OK and volume down again until the remote appears in the Bluetooth device list. Select it to pair again. If the remote only works when pointed directly at the box, it is still using infrared mode, so repeat the Bluetooth pairing process until the connection confirmation appears. Once everything is set, the remote will be connected over Bluetooth, allowing wireless navigation, voice search, and if programmed, TV power and volume control from the same remote. Following these simple steps makes VSeeBox V6 Plus remote setup and pairing quick and easy.